Hi, I'm Niamh from Wimperis Embroidery. Today we're going to be looking at the sampler that I have created for our Just Hands Craft Weekend Retreat. This sampler is based on the bedspread that is behind me that I created whilst on a BBC Two show called the Victorian House of Arts and Crafts. And I took the Victorians' love of flower language, their symbolism about changing seasons and time, and I've put it all in this sampler for you. So we're going to learn some really key important embroidery stitches through this lovely piece of work. So the first stitch that we're going to do is going to be a satin stitch, which is essentially laying your threads very close next to each other. And it creates this really lovely, almost shimmers, it shines in the light. It's really, really lovely.